2006 Lexus ES350, one owner, 72,000 miles, in pristine condition. Gorgeous color. It's called an alabaster pearl, a grayish tannish. Loaded leather, moonroof, heated and air conditioned seats, power seats. Beautiful car. Condition. You'll be lucky to find a rock chip on this thing. It is so clean. Gray leather, power seats, wood grained interior, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seats, 72,000 miles, premium sound, power rear sunshade, heated and air conditioned seats, moonroof controls, no cracked dash. Absolutely gorgeous car. '2006 Lexus ES350, 72,000 miles, one owner, in fabulous condition.